Hello everyone, it's your boy Keys. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Aki YouTube. Apparently, I should have brought out this video a long time ago. I've been working on loads of stuff, so I'm gonna start with apologizing. I'm really sorry that I've not been able to bring out this old video a long time ago, but now it's out and we are glad. So apparently this is a multi-purpose video for those people that are looking forward to make some earnings with this simple tutorial, step-by-step tutorial, and also it serves as a it's simulation for people that are having issues with their applications, like these NPOWER applications. There's so many people having issues with getting good grades, scoring good grades with their NPOWER test, and so basically these skills can be transferred in whatever country. So let's not waste much time. I believe this video will be useful to so many people apart from Nigerians, and co can be utilized for nationwide. So let's head up to the website and uh, click on the process. So apparently you must have done your forgotten your password. You must have reset that forgotten password for those people in the batch C this 2021. So when you get to the portal, you log in, put your email address, password. I've already done that, so we'll be moving on to the next step. Next step, we'll go over to the start test, where we can start proceed with the test, because that's what we are looking at now. So you click on proceed and you impute your Nasim's ID. The Nasim's ID is the ID that is below the dashboard of your Empower portal. That's below your passport. Is there's one, then you just there's one ID there. You copy everything and you impute your password and you click on start. So guys, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, share this video and click on like. So now you click on proceed. So this question is for 20 minutes and we have 20 questions. So what we basically will be doing is copy and pasting. So we're copying this whole question and putting it out on Google. So I think the beautiful thing that about this Empower application for the youth is that they are giving people the opportunity to utilize this tool. So if you are smart enough, you'll be able to get good grades. So it's possible for you to utilize it on your whatever phone that you have. If you can use it on your Android phones, Apple phones, and your laptops. So we've imputed question number one answer and we are off to question number two. So we will be looking at the answers, searching the questions to make sure each of the questions tally with what it's given, because sometimes they might tweak the questions a little bit. If you are too fast, you might not get it. So once we're able to see the answer, we can then proceed with question number three. So now we're still searching for the answer to these questions. You see us opening multiple tabs just to be able to confirm each uh, answers that are being written on the. So for this one it says 10 years, and okay, this one good website. Okay, so now question number three, we're control copying everything, closing some of our tabs that we are opening, and we are putting it out on Google search. So both A and arrow are true, and arrow are correct explanation of A. Justification, it said assertion. Okay, both A and arrow are true. Saying the answer should be A. Correct explanation. That's good. So now, if today is Monday, blah 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 blah, control copy, it will be Tuesday, 15th. So apparently, after 61 days, today is Monday. It surely will be Tuesday. So click on that. Click on the next question. So that's for question number four. Question number four done. So next question. So guys, feel free to share this video, subscribe to this channel, because we're bringing out lots of trending opportunity, lots of trending simulations that you'll be needing, cryptos, and how to make some cool cash. Apparently with this technique, I've been able to uh, I've gotten quite a number of funds in my account balance because of this tutorial, because I've been able to offer these services to a various people, and they will gladly pay you for such services. I think I've made more than 10,000 naira, or less, and it's basically because it's I just did it within. But I know for people that owns this cyber cafe and are able to run these services for them, it can be, they make a whole lot of money, and it's easy for you to market these services. You just go on social media, check out the platforms that these people who are looking. That's question number 6. Check out for the, like, if you go to Facebook now, you see, check out for the Empower page. You see lots of people that have issues trying to take their test, and you see some people that are scoring very low. So with this technique now, I believe that you should be able to get good grades. Question number 7, control copy. Aware of the fact that he would say this is an English question, so dash to the police in up. Okay, so we're going with in. Next question, question number 8, a wide unruly. So guys, you need to be really smart. You need to be really smart to be able to do this whole stuff, and you need to be focused. Any small noise, any small disturbance, your time is counting. The goal of this is to beat the time and get your good grades. The questions are not really exact, so that's something you should know. So you should know that you might not be able to get the same score you score in the same basis. So guys, we have 40 minutes left. Question number 8, a wide unruly dash stormed into the prison courtyard. Unruly dash, is a wide unruly mob or a wide unruly gathering? It should be a mob. Should be a mob. So guys, what do you think is the answer to that question? And uh you can drop your comments on the comment section, whatever. Message me on WhatsApp. I'll be dropping my phone number. You can send me an email if you need further tutorial or any other assistance with this whole process. So okay, why don't really? So we have to check the best sentences that fit with the word wide unruly on the Google search. So we're going with wide unruly mob. I think a mob goes with negative words. So 30 minutes more. Next question, question number 9. So guys, don't feel free to share these videos to as much as possible. There are 1,000,001 people looking for this opportunity and to see this kind of simulation, and how possible it is for them to uh, uh, utilize this do these and these carry out these principles or these techniques, these tutorial by themselves. It's very easy to do. So okay, so why don't really mob or why don't really answer? So we are trying to confirm our answers. So we have 12 minutes more. Well, let's go with the mob. So a definite and generally recognized boundary of a country is also known as what? You can be able to answer the question on your own, but most times it's just preferable you check it up, because some of the questions are there already. And thank God for the possibilities. Okay, wide only territory, that's the answer on that page. Thank God that they're giving us the ability to utilize this. So that's something. It's not all a test that gets to utilize this that allow you to minimize also. So a blue whale. So we're up to question number 11 now. Control copying everything, closing our tabs because they are too much. Trying to beat the time. Question number 12. So guys, feel free to subscribe to our channel and share this video, like, drop your comments on the comment section. We'll be dropping good loads of educative materials, how to make money, how to do stuff. As regards making money from this, you just have to go to, there are so many people around that were qualified for this batch 2021 applications. So you just check them up on Telegram, they're on Twitter, all social media platforms. So you can easily search for them, chat them up, and let them know how genuine your services could be. Mind you, you don't need to spam too much. You just need to show them that this is how it is. You can show them this video and let them know that you have all the tools to make this thing possible. Some of them might not be in a good network area, or they might not have the time or the mindset or the brain to be able to comprehend this. So you just have to find a way to explain to them. Question number 13. So find the value of m if 3m plus 24m equals to 41m. What's the value of m? So we're going to check this so we have option B here. Option B says m equals to -6. So always take note that these questions need to tally with the questions, and sometimes the option might not tally too. So Control C, then Control V, then you click on enter. Export goods are also called what? Goods produced for sale outside the country. So let's look for it. Goods produced for sale. Okay, yeah, that's correct. So we are up to question number 15. So there are times they might tweak these questions. The options might not tally with the options you see online. So it's just left for you to be smart enough to readjust the answers. Okay, so that's your mother won't be angry with you. That's your mother won't be angry. This is an English question. So it's mixed current affairs, English, and the rest. So the questions changes with each test. And apparently, this one simulation I'm running for a a client is somebody that needs this. I believe that one thing we believe that is that for you to be a graduate, or for you to be eligible for your qualifications, for you to be able to get your qualifications, is people are not dull. People are not dull. People are not what they are. People are brilliant. People are good. Everyone has something to offer. So it doesn't really mean that you doing these stuff for them is that it's this thing. It doesn't mean that, because we all have parents that are not techie. Our parents are not techie. They don't know what's happening in this social media world. But our parents are good. There are so many things they can impact on us. There are so many things they've impacted on us that will make that we can't take for granted. So they have that experience. So I think these are the services you can offer to so many people, because some people don't have time for this. Some people don't have time. Some people are not used to operating computers like the way you do, or the way we do, or the way you can do it. So it's left for you. That's your own advantage. It's left for you to convince them that, oh, this is what I do. On your WhatsApp page, you can relate with people. There are so many people that needs this service. So the higher your score, the higher your chances of being deployed. So it works for various exams. It works for any exams. You just check it up and do it. So we're up to question number 16 now. Say skating is related to ring, and same as badminton is related to. So I'm looking for what badminton is related to. I think badminton is related to court also. Uh, is it? So let's see the answer. Let's see. On the bottom there, we are saying something like court is an answer. Court is the answer. Badminton is related to court. So we can go with badminton is related to court. So let's see, or we can make other confirmations to confirm from what other people, because sometimes the answers might be contradictory. Just need to confirm. So that's it. Next question. 7 minutes remaining. So guys, once again, click on subscribe, share, click on like button. I dropped a video about any free cryptocurrency. You can check out our YouTube channel and see some of the videos we've done. I'll be dropping the link below. And also, for people that might be interested in getting a good laptop or a computer, a desktop computer, I'll be dropping a link to a website where we make our purchases. That's Jumia Nigeria. That's where we make our purchases, get all our legit equipment. So if you need assistance with getting a device, whatever, we'll be dropping our link. They will be giving you discount for using our links, and if you have any need to return your items, or you have any issues, you can easily chat us up. We make your refunds possible for you. Everything is made on pay on delivery, so you can easily chat us up. That's part of the services that we do to that we give to customers. But meanwhile, you can do the you can do everything yourself too. We'll just be dropping the link that maybe in case you might need a direct link to the discounts and the purchases that are available. So hey guys, we're up to this question. We're trying to look for our answer. So you just have to be fast, utilize whatever search whatever means you need to get your answers. So now we're looking for this answer to this question. We're question number 18. Some of the questions are really rough, so you take time. We have 5.14375 there, but it's nowhere in our answers. But we have 5.2 here, so I think they approximated it, so we can go for 5.2. So window is to prone as I didn't get that question. Window is to pin as book is to cover. Book is to cover. I think is a particular phrase like that. So you can search for what people have done and work on it. So you guys, you can check up our previous videos if you're interested in any free cryptocurrency, or you're interested in other things. We'll be dropping more good content for you. Then you can also drop a comment for us and let us know what you would like to watch next, what videos you want us to put up for you, or what issues you are having. Okay, book is to page. Okay, these are our final question. 20 questions. These are our final question. So guys, you just have to believe in God. Pray when you're doing this stuff, because you might just go and do this thing for somebody now, and so always let your people know that the scores might not be different, but you always give them the best. And so long for the time we've been doing this thing, we've gotten good grades whatsoever. So that's question number. So I'm clicking on submit my score. Wow. Hey guys, we just got one of the highest scores ever, 95%. I think your client will be ready to pay you crazy like mad for this. So once you click on that, you can click on login to confirm your scores. So guys, you can click on our channel, subscribe. We'll be dropping more updates. So this client will be very happy. So this is 100% legit. I'm not putting out the emails, I'm not putting out any logins, because this is strictly confidential. So one love guys, peace out.